Hi friends, today we are going to see what is paraphrasing. Paraphrasing, you will be given poetic lines like this. Have you seen a little dog? A raggy shaggy dog who's always looking out. You will be given poetic lines like this and you will be asked to do the exercises on this. You will have to understand these poetic lines and answer the questions. For example, like the dog is a raggy and a shaggy dog, the answers will not be given, like it will be given as a blank. From the poem you have to understand and fill up the blanks. This is what is paraphrasing a poem. Now moving on to the next topic, appreciation questions. A little example on how you will answer appreciation questions. For example, this is the poetic stanza which is given. Let me but live by life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul. Now, these lines are given and you will know what is an alliteration. Alliteration is a poetic device. It is a repetition of a consonant sound in a line of a poetry. You will be asked to write the alliterative pairs in the given lines. If you see in the first line, let, love and life alliterate. In the first line itself, me and my alliterate. And forward face in the second line alliterates. So you will take up and write the consonant sound giving words from the poem and say that it is an alliteration. These are the alliterative pairs. Now moving on to the next one. Name the poet. This is a very often asked question. When you are given poetic lines, you will have to identify from which poem the poetic lines are taken, and you will have to write from which poem and from who is the poet of the particular poem. So you will be writing Life is written by Henry van Dyke. These lines are from Life poem. So you have to write it as Henry van Dyke. Moving on to the next question. Whom does me refer to in the given lines? So me refers to the poet. So quite often you can't expect me. It might be somebody else also, but you have to be thorough with the summary of the poem and you will have to answer this question. They might ask anything. Whom does they refer to? Whom does I refer to? So according to the poem, according to what the poem is explaining you have to write the answer. The next is, what kind of life does the poet want to lead? This is quite simple to answer. You have to read the lines and understand, that's all. Okay, if you know the summary well and good, you have to read the lines and understand. The poet wants to lead a cheerful life. So this is what is the answer. If you read the summary of the poem also, it will give you the same answer. If you try to understand the lines also, it will give you the same answer. So thank you. Meet you in the next presentation.